Welcome back to another video. So Born Pretty has kindly sent me out a little pack of gel polishes. I love this packaging, it's embossed as well. Shine myself, it's quite raised. I really like that. Born Pretty packaging has been really pretty actually recently. So we've got 6 bottles. I'll leave a picture up on the screen of what they are. They are glitter gel polishes. So this is how they come packaged. So these are in the white bottles. They are glass bottles, 7ml. It's got all the ingredients on the back. I love these bottles. They've got like a white shimmer. Can't really see it on camera. I'm not going to open it. Oh, it's got the number and an indication of what's inside it. I like that. Ooh, look at that. Super holographic gold. So it's got like tiny hex and a fine. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm not going to open them all because we're going to give them a quick swatch today. I like that. I love bottles that have got numbers and colour indicators on top. Really good for storing in your drawers. I really need to update my description box as well because I've got discount codes that are not in there, and my Born Pretty is one of them. I've got a discount code for Born Pretty website. I'll leave it up on the screen and it'll all be in the description box anyway. Right, so the numbers look like they are BP SG01 2 3 4 5 6. Right, so I'm just going to give them a quick swatch today, and I'll maybe do a design with them in another video. So yeah, I'm just going to get straight into it. I'll bring you down a little bit. Born Pretty gel polishes, actually I've got quite a few now. They're generally good quality gel polishes. They cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Oh wow, this is pretty. Right, so they're not actually small hex. It's like little tiny little shards. It's got small hex, a fine, and it's got little shardy bits, has it? Yeah, like little bits of shards. Super holographic. That is pretty. Right, I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. I'm going to give them all a second coat off camera as well. So let's do one more with you, and then I'll stick some music on and get through the rest. So this looks like it's going to be the gold version of the silver that I've just done. Oh wow, these are pretty. These are real. Do you know, I always forget about glitter gel polishes. Sometimes when you've got a nail, you're not quite sure what to do on it, an accent nail or a pinky. I normally just sugar it in glitter, and I always forget about glitter gel polishes. Wow, that's pretty, isn't it? Super sparkly. Very sparkly. That's gorgeous. That is really nice. Right, I'll stick some music on, guys, and I will meet you back in a minute. I'll give them all a second coat as well. Right, that's them all swatched, guys. I'm just going to give them a Born Pretty top coat. This Born Pretty super top coat, I try and save it for my own nails because it is the most scratch resistant top coat I have ever used. And when I'm doing sets of nails, practicing and I'm filing and stuff, I'm always filing off my own nails. And just general everyday wear. This top coat is, yeah, super scratch resistant. I love it. So I'm just going to quickly get through these and then I'll be back. Right guys, that is them all swatched. I think they're really pretty. Really pretty. A nice staple set, isn't it? If you want a set of glitter gel polish, you've got your silver, your gold. This one's like more of a orange, I don't know, just a different shade of gold, isn't it? And then we've got a pinky purple, a red and a black. So that's them all on 2 coats as well. Yeah, I really like them. I think they're really nice. Quick, simple on an accent nail, aren't they? I really do. I like them. And I do normally matte top coat the bottom half of my swatches, but because these are holographic, yeah, the matte top coat will just take that hollow away. But I really like them. They feel like really nice quality. You could have them slightly transparent with 1 coat. I think I prefer them with 2 coats like that. I like that black and red. They're cool, aren't they? But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Just a quick swatch video. I will do something with them. I don't know what, but definitely got to do something with them. But yeah, anyway, guys, that is it for today. I'll leave all the links below. My discount code will be below as well. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.